Hi there! In this video, you will learn about how to bulk force password change for users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations prioritize security, enforcing password resets across multiple accounts becomes essential, especially after security breaches, policy updates, or routine maintenance. Manually requiring password changes for each user through the Google Admin Console is time-consuming and inefficient. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. It enables administrators to enforce bulk password changes for users in Google Workspace effortlessly. Instead of manually resetting passwords one by one in the Google Admin Console, you can require multiple users to update their passwords simultaneously, ensuring stronger security and compliance. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google Admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Require Password Change for Users and click on it. In the Bulk Require Password Change for Users page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Require Password Change for Users will display. Click Next. The rule is auto-configured. No configurations required. Click Review. In the rule name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions illustrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk enforcement of password resets, ensuring users are required to change their passwords upon their next sign-in. Go to the Templates page. Go to Bulk Require Password Change for Users template and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the downloaded CSV file, replace the sample data with the actual primary email addresses of the users for whom you want to enforce a password change. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Bulk Data Transfer Between Users in Google Workspace rule. Select the CSV file to upload. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the automation has successfully enabled password change for the users. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.